In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to animate text and objects in PowerPoint 2013. Whether you're aiming to make your presentation more engaging or simply want to highlight important information, animation can be a powerful tool. So let's get started. First, you'll want to open your Microsoft PowerPoint presentation where you'd like to apply these animations. It's important that you're already familiar with the basic layout of PowerPoint 2013, as this will help you navigate more easily through the steps that follow. Now that you have your presentation open, the next step is to select the specific piece of text, shape, or picture that you wish to animate. Think about the elements of your slide that would benefit from a little motion. Selecting your object is as simple as clicking on it. You'll see a bounding box or selection border appear around your chosen item, indicating that it's now ready to be animated. Once you've made your selection, direct your attention to the ribbon that runs across the top of the PowerPoint window. Locate and click on the Animations tab. You will notice that this brings up a variety of animation tools and options designed to help bring your presentations to life. In the animation group within the ribbon, you'll see some common effects displayed such as fade, fly in, or wipe. These are popular choices because they are seamless and work well in a variety of professional settings. To apply one, simply click on the desired effect while your object is still selected. PowerPoint provides a quick preview to show you how the animation will look once applied, which is incredibly useful for making sure you get just the effect you want. If you're interested in exploring more options beyond the most common ones provided, there's also a way to access additional animations. Next to the group of effects, you'll find a More drop-down arrow. Clicking this arrow expands the selection to include a wider variety of animation effects, offering you greater flexibility and creativity for your presentations. It's worth taking some time to explore these extra options and see which effects will best suit the tone and style of your presentation. Whether you stay with the tried and true options or venture into some of the more unique effects, the key is to ensure that the animation enhances without distracting from your overall message. By following these steps, you'll be well on your way to creating dynamic and engaging presentations that capture your audience's attention. Remember to use animations sparingly and with intention. Too much movement on a slide can become overwhelming and detract from your message. Thanks for tuning in today, and I hope you enjoy experimenting with animating your text and objects in PowerPoint 2013. Remember, practice makes perfect. See you in the next video.